Hi, I'm Sule. I'm over 60, but my balance is better now than when I was half this age.
By practicing balance, you'll improve your posture, build joint stability, stabilize your feet and ankles. It enhances body awareness and coordination, improve your concentration, and keep your core strong. Let's begin. We start by coming into a seated position. You can sit in a chair if that's more comfortable. By gently pressing your butt down, you get very tall. Breathe deeply into your chest and belly. Exhale everything out. Inhale, your lungs are full from chest to belly. Exhale to empty lungs. Please continue and bring all of your attention to the breath. Breath is a key element to quickly mastering balance. Continue this smooth and even rhythm of breathing throughout your whole practice. We're going to warm up the spine a little bit by coming onto all fours, shoulders above the wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, lower your belly, roll your shoulders back, and look upward. Exhale, round your spine. The crown of the head wants to touch your belly button and the tailbone curls under. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, the heart forward. Exhale, round. Keep going. One more time. And circle the hips, orbiting the hips 5 times in each direction. Releasing, we'll come into child pose. It's a resting pose and a back stretching pose. Your butt is over your ankles. Your neck is completely soft, so the head hangs and maybe it even touches the ground. The arms are out in front, relaxed. And gather yourself to your breathing. Inhale fully into chest and belly. Exhale everything out. Let this mindful breathing be priority. Please note, have your fingers spread wide with the middle fingers pointing forward. The hands are shoulder distance apart. Your knees are hip distance apart. Hands and lower legs press into the earth. Right leg extends straight and back. Extend your spine long, including your neck. So from the top of your head to the back foot, you're very long. Now hover your left hand off the ground. That may be enough of a challenge. Or if your breathing is very smooth and calm still, and you feel solid, lift the hand up higher. Or take the left hand and extend it straight out like you're going to shake somebody's hand. Optional, take that left arm and float it straight back. Perhaps that lifted leg, your right leg, bend at the knees so the toes point to the sky. If the lifted hand and foot are pretty close together, you can see if you can reach the foot. If you reach the foot, pull it way up to the sky. Take one more full breath, and then we'll release the posture. Coming back onto all fours, use your hands and lower legs to press the earth away, so that gives you a lot of stability. Now extend your left leg straight back. Make a lot of space between each vertebrae, including your neck. Get as long as you can get. Take the right hand and hover it off the ground. or lift it up higher if you're feeling steady and your breath is smooth. Option to extend that right arm straight out like you're going to shake somebody's hand. Or float that right arm that's in the sky, take it back. Bend up your left leg. If your lifted hand and foot are fairly close together, see if you can grab onto that foot and pull it way up to the sky. One more breath here before releasing. And we'll settle it down into child pose with the buttocks over the heels. The head drops down, the neck is completely soft. Returning to a solid all fours. Make sure your foundation feels very strong and solid. Extend the left leg straight back. Left leg and left hand. Now the left hand hovers both left limbs off the ground. You can stay here, or if your breath is smooth and even, extend your left arm straight out like you're going to shake somebody's hand. Option: left knee bends, toes to the sky, left hand reaches back, perhaps grabbing onto the left foot. Send the left foot way up. One more deep breath before releasing. All fours. Other side. Extend your right leg straight back. Create a long line. Your spine has a lot of space. Hover your right hand off the ground. If your breathing is smooth and easy, maybe extend that right hand straight out like you're going to shake somebody's hand. Bend up the right knee, pointing the toes to the sky. Right arm floats back. Maybe the right hand can catch the right foot and send it up. One more smooth breath before releasing. Rest in child pose, buttocks over the heels. And please come back up to sitting or standing. We begin the standing sequence. You can always have a chair or a wall by for support. Start with your feet 1 to 2 fists apart. Lift your toes and spread them as far as you can and set them back down. Big toes point directly forward. Pressing down the 4 corners of each foot gives you a strong stability. Tailbone points down and low belly gently pulls in. With the knees bent, float the arms up and back down. Do that a few more times. You can add breath by inhaling the arms up and exhaling the arms down. Both arms and one leg float up. Both arms and the one leg drift down. Alternate legs. Having a visual makes it easier. You can either look at me or look at a plant, look through a window at a tree, look at the ground, or look at a full-length mirror. Take one bent knee up and keep it up. We'll float the arms up and down. Drop the knee, other side. Arms rise to the height of your shoulders. Make fists. and circle your fists. Circle your fists with one knee raised. Now circle the fist and the lifted ankle. Rotate the ankles and fists the opposite direction. One more inhale, and exhale, and release. Standing arms raised, circle the wrists with open hands. Add on lifting the opposite knee and circle that ankle. Orbit the opposite direction. Deep inhale and exhale and release. Inhale with the lifting of the arms and heels. Exhale with the arms and heels falling. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release down. One more time. We continue with the floating of the arms. Add knees bend more as heels lift. Heels way up, deeper bend in the knees. It's like you're about to sit in a short, invisible chair. Coming down as low as you can, mindful of your knees if you have any challenges with knees, and slow motion, lift up, staying on your toes with the heels way up the whole time. Release. Press into your toes, heels off the ground, arms come overhead. Get as tall as you can get. And when you're ready, come on back down. Preparing now for tree pose. Maintain a smooth and even breath. Your eyes are focused on the video or something not moving. Bring your feet so they are 1 or 2 fists apart. Tail points down, belly pulls in. Spread your toes far apart. Big toes point forward. Pressing all 4 corners of both feet into the ground. Do not lock your knees. Micro bend your knees to protect your knees and your low back. Arms open like a big basket. Your bent left knee points left with toes on the ground. If this is easy, plant the foot just above the ankle. If that is still easy, plant your foot on the inside of the thigh, pressing the foot into the thigh and press the inside of the thigh into the foot. Do not place your foot where your knee is. Very bad for the knee. Option to bring the hands to the heart center in Namaste. Or grow your tree, sending the hands up over your head with elbows bent or elbows fairly straight, keeping the shoulders down. Or you can separate the hands. Hands to the heart center. Knee towards chest. You can stay facing forward. I'm only turning so you can view the angle. Take the knee that was at the chest and send it way back. Create a long, straight line from the top of your head to your back foot. You may choose to be a diagonal line with the foot lower, head higher, or be more of a horizontal line. And for the fullest expression, extend your arms out like you're Superman. Hopefully you're steady as I'm wobbly here. All right, and release. Come on back down. Open the arms. Bent right knee points right, maybe with the toes on the ground. If that's easy, the foot can rest above the ankle. Do not place the foot on the knee, bad for the knee. More advanced, Put the foot on the inside of the thigh, pressing the thigh into the foot and pressing the foot into the inner thigh. Hands to the heart. Grow your tree. Perhaps the arms are straight with arms open. Hands to the heart. Take your right knee to your chest. You can stay as you are. I'm just turning for visuals. Extend your lifted knee way back. Stay in a diagonal or come into more of a horizontal. And a more advanced option, extend your arms out like you're Superman. And release it all down. Firmly standing, bend up your left knee to your chest. Hold onto your left knee with your left hand. The right arm extends to the right. Open the hips, taking the left knee to the left. Option to look over your right fingertips. Take it all forward and down. Other side. Right knee bent and to your chest. Hold on to your knee with your right hand. Left hand floats to the left. Take the right knee to the right. More advanced, look past your left fingertips. And release. Let it all go. Face to your right. I will be like your mirror. Take your left knee to the sky. Hold on to it with your right hand. Extend your left arm straight back. And for a more advanced practice, look past your left fingertips. And finishing up, look forward and release it all down. Facing to your left. Left knee to the sky. Hold on to your left knee with your left hand. The right hand extends straight back behind you. More advanced, look back past your top hand. And finishing up, look forward and take it all down. And we've come to the end of our practice.
We really worked on balance today. If you want to work on coordination as well, this is a faster paced Kriya practice that will test your coordination.